Yth22v46. Where is the 20 amp fuse? I seem to have no electric power to the lights or ignition.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
The problem came up all at once. More went off. I just replaced the battery thinking maybe it's battery, but battery is hot and no electric light or ignition.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Some of the tech site I've read suggests fuse replacement, but I don't know where the fuse is on that mower.
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Husqvarna. Yth22v46. About 2014 or 2015.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Where's your battery? If battery is under the seat, the battery has to be removed to get to the fuse. If battery is behind engine, the fuse is behind engine, near the starter solenoid.
Okay, I found the fuse. Replaced it, but it's blown out twice more when I try to start, so something else is triggering the blowing of the fuse.
Fuse blows because of a short in the system. If it blows as soon as the key is turned on, look at the voltage regulator and the fuel solenoid in the carburetor. If it blows when key is turned to start, check wires at the starter solenoid.
Will do.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.